Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'll be making money as usual. So in today's video, I'm gonna be talking about my payout with Fundingpips. So the last time I told you guys that I made 13% on my live account with Fundingpips, which again allowed me to be on the Fundingpips leaderboard. I was so happy. For the very first time I was fourth on the leaderboard, and I've been saying it since that someday I will be able to be on that leaderboard, and I did achieve it. But not only be on the leaderboard, which is the best part, the best is to be able to get that payout, right? The money you've made to be on the leaderboard, you should get paid. And as I'm making this video, I already got paid like 3 days ago, or I think 5 days ago, which is exactly 6,600 and something, right? So that's 100% profit split. So my 50k account, they gave me the opportunity to choose if I wanted a 60% profit split for a weekly payout, or a 80% profit split for a bi-weekly payout, or a 100% profit split for a monthly payout. And of course, you know what I chose? I went for the 100% profit split because I don't want to spread any money I make on my live account just for me to get paid fast or anything, because you guys know that I have a lot of funded account. So as soon as I make money on one, I just go and trade the other one so I can make more money, and I just wait for the payout. So I got my $6,000 payout, and I'm just gonna explain how the payout went. I think it's been a while I haven't shared my screen to teach you guys something. So in today's video, I'm gonna be share my screen, and I'm going to teach you guys exactly how I'm able to get those crazy positions, which allows me to make those 13% on one single trade. And as I'm making this video, I'm currently holding a gold sell on my Fundingpips account. I'm currently around $600 in profit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna break down this particular trade I'm still holding like now, and I'm also gonna explain how the pair with Fundingpips went. So basically, my first pair with Fundingpips, I already told you guys I had issue with my the IP address, which they said why my IP address was different from, like, why I have like login from different IP addresses. So I did tell them that it's because I've traveled to Accra, that's why my IP address was different. But this second payout here, I didn't have any issue. I requested my payout, and 3 days, it took exactly 3 days, because even if you go to their website, they say that the payout processing time is 3 days. So it took them 3 days to process my payout, and I didn't get any issue, no email about anything. I just got an email saying that my payout was processed, and I got the 6,657. They have like a $10 fee, so I got 6,657 on my Rise account. I receive on my Rise account. Now from Rise, I can withdraw to bank, or I can withdraw to crypto. And as you guys know, I hate dealing with banks, so I withdraw the money right to my Binance, which was actually perfect. So the payout went really good. And as I'm talking here, they gave me the account after payout, but I did take some losses, so I'm not sure if I'll be able to recover the losses. So probably I'm just gonna wait for, I don't know if I'll be trading next week, but I'm just gonna wait for the new year, get another account, probably 100k or another 50k, pass, and then hunt for those crazy payouts. And if I have to be sincere with you, I do take some losses too. I can also lose an account. As I'm talking here, I've had like 2 or 3 payout. I think I had like 3 payout with FTMO, and now as I'm talking, my 100k FTMO account, the live account which I got payout from, I actually lost it. I've had some losses like 2 weeks ago or something, so I lost that account. And the good thing is, as I have a lot of account, I may be able to lose one account, but then I may also be able to make some money on my other account. I don't trade all the account at once, so if I take a loss today on this account, tomorrow I trade another account, and I know that I may not be taking losses every single day. So tomorrow if I take a win, then that account payout secured, and then the other account I keep trading. So that's how I do. So that's how I rotate from Fundingpips, Fundingpips, and FTMO. If you guys want to learn about my trading strategy, so let's get into my PC so I can share, and I will show you guys exactly how I'm able to get this position, which, as I'm saying, it's running. I've had like, I didn't even want to take this. I went low risk, and I even took partial, and the market is about to close. So probably we'll see tomorrow if this is gonna keep dropping, or I don't know if I should just close it right now. Probably I'll just keep it run, because if I close at $800 profit, that's like $600 payout, which I'm not aiming for a $600 payout. I need like I think the minimum amount of payout I had for the past 6 months, I don't know if it's like 1,000. So like that's the minimum amount in a payout. So I'm not aiming for like 500. I'm looking for somewhere around 1,000 plus. So that's what I'm looking for. So let's get into my PC so I can show you guys exactly how I trade. So this is actually the position I'm holding right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna delete everything on my chart. I'm going to show you guys exactly how I'm able to get this sell setup running here. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna replay price exactly before this happened, and then I'm gonna bring back my session indicator to see London and Asia and New York session. Remember guys, I only trade London and New York. If it's Asia, probably I'm sleeping. I'm not getting any setup at Asia session. So as I come to my 15-minute time frame, what am I looking at? I know that gold's been selling this time. You can see that we have this sell, pullback, sell, and then pullback. Eventually, I'm still looking for a sell to at least go and take this low here. So my overall on the higher time frame, I'm aiming for this low here, okay? So as I'm aiming for this low here, all I have to do is I go to my 15-minute time frame. As I'm here on the 15-minute, what do I see? I'm also looking for some bearish market structure. So if I see, well, this high gave me a low, gave me a high, you have an A here, price drop gave me a low, we have a B here, price gave me a high here, gave me A here, and then price drop here gave me a B here. So from here, all I'm looking for is I'm looking for a pullback to give me a new A and then drop and then give me a new B. Okay, so as I have this, all I'm looking for is I want to see price give me a pullback inside, give me a sell setup, and that pullback, remember, it has to go if you use your fib, which is not something I use most, but I just want to see price going above the 50%. I'm looking for sell setup. And for me today, I was interested into selling these things since Asia high. I wanted to see price taking Asia high and then like give me a sell setup, but it didn't happen. As you can see, price keep buying, but then the sell setup I had was from this breaker block. So I've gotten a breaker block here, and then I've gotten some internal liquidity resting inside of this zone here. So all I wanted to see price doing is I just wanted to see price come hit this guy here and then give me a sell setup. And if it sells, where is my TP? I just want to see price drop and then break the low again. So that low is my TP. So now if I go to the lower time frame, I just went to the lower time frame and then I waited for price to come hit my zone, and from there I had my sell setup. So from here you can see that price came hit the zone, and if I go to the 1 minute charts, you can see that there was really no confirmation entry. Okay, like price came here, right? It came, it hit the zone. So it came hit the zone and then it dropped, it gave this low. So from here price did not give me anything such as a change of character or anything, right? So if there's no change of character, how do I know if I have to be selling this thing? So you either wait for a clear change of character for sell, or if you want, in this case I did not wait for any clear change of character. I just had my sell exactly from where price at right now. And then my stop loss, I don't want to put the stop loss above this high because that would be like risky, because price can easily create a new high before it goes down. So what I did is I just put my stop loss above my higher time frame zone, which I think it's not that high. I think I defined it my zone to a 5-minute zone here, to the zone here. Yeah, so I defined it to the zone and I put my stop loss above this high here. So this is how I had my sell. And my TP, basically I'm just aiming for this low here as a TP, which is a 7R. And then one more thing is I was really feeling sleepy, like I had a long week. So what I did is, as price dropped, it went a bit in profit and I closed one of my position. I think I closed it for like $300 profit, not much. But then now, as I'm saying, I'm holding the remainder of my position. If it goes to full TP, good, that's another payout secured for December. But if it doesn't go to full TP, then I guess that would just be a break even for me, because I did set my stop loss at break even. So all I'm waiting for here is I just want to see what the price does. And as I'm talking here, price still did not hit my full TP. If I remove this replay, you can see that price is still didn't hit my TP. You can see price still didn't hit my TP. It can hit TP, it might not hit TP. I don't know whatever can happen. I have no idea. But as you can see here, I'm still holding my position. Okay, price still moving. I'm still holding my position here. So I don't know. I don't know if this is gonna hit TP or not. But this is basically how I do. So this is how I scalp. If you guys want to have like a full details on how I trade, make sure you check the link below. You can DM on Instagram, right? Ask me any question you have, or you can check my website link below this video. So you check, and you can also join my mentorship, which is a $399 package, give you access to everything. I teach you everything on live Zoom call. And for the Black Friday, which was even yesterday, I give you guys an opportunity. If you've watched this video, DM me that you've watched it and you want the discount. So I'm gonna give you a 25% discount to join the mentorship. So I really hope that this video helped you enough, and I think that's pretty much it. If you like this sort of content, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hope you the best for the next few days coming, and hope you the best for the new year as well. Bye bye.